What's up guys, this is Raj Karmakar from Fashion and Fitness Boss, and oh man, all the things that you will be hearing in this video, I guarantee you guys that you have never heard before. Because what I do is heavy research on the things that will make only you look better and attractive. Honestly guys, if there was a course on how to look best, I would be the CEO or president of that. And so, let's take today's class. And so today, I'm going to tell you about 5 hair hacks that will take your hair to the next level. You interested? I know you are. Let's keep going. Number 1. Use the cool setting on your blow dryer. Now think about a little bit. When you apply wax, pomade or clay, you first heat it up, emulsify it and make your hair harder to stay longer. Now if you use cold air after setting your hairstyle, then it's gonna balance the heat completely, helping your hair to get locked in that place. And guys, if you don't know how to style your hair like a pro at home within 5 minutes, click here or you may click the video link given in the description box. Watch the video and learn how to style your hair like a pro. And guys, if you think my content is helpful to you, then please consider subscribing to my channel and also press the bell icon because there's more content to come up like this. Alright, because it's just starting. Number 2. Use a hair mask. This tip is the most effective of all because unlike other tips, it will ensure to show the difference from the first use. Hair mask is used to repair your dull, broken hair and make your hair shiny, stronger and adds more volume. You can get this easily on Amazon. I'll be linking one in the description box. Please go and check it out and apply it once every week. Keep it for 30 seconds, then wash it off and you will see that your hair will look softer like never before. Number 3. Check your hair daily. This is one of the things that I put into practice every single day. Every time you shower, put your fingers through it, check if you are losing a bunch of hair at a time. And while combing your hair, this becomes extremely important to check if you are losing hair, which takes barely 2 seconds. And guys, if you are facing hair loss and receding hairline problem, then click this video here, watch this video full after watching this video full obviously, or the link will be given in the description box. Number 4. Use Coke for hair volume. Now this is a hack that many popular celebrities revealed on their interviews. They all said that they use Coca-Cola to enhance their shininess. See, Coca-Cola contains phosphoric acid, which means it has a very low pH and which helps your hair's roots to get tightened up and make your hair more stronger and shiny. And finally, number 5 guys, eat more healthy fats. See, your hair is a sign of your health internally. Eat nuts, coconut, fishes, intake those fatty acids. And now, you'll see that your hair is stronger, shinier and better than ever. And that's basically for today's video guys. If you guys like this video and found it informative, don't forget to give a like and we'll also share this video with your friends and comment down what you like about this video. Also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Till then, stay stylish.